This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josey Ruccolo. Beautiful spacious one-bedroom condo in impeccable condition has been tastefully remodeled. Large open kitchen, granite countertops, good closet space, large balcony, 24-hour security, has convenient community laundry facilities, 24-hour front desk security, valet parking, heated pool, fitness center, game room, pet-friendly building close to Aventura Mall, fine dining, airport, casinos, excellent opportunity for investors. Unit already rented for now till October, then after you also have option to rent 12 times a year with a 30-day minimum. For more information, review the details below or contact Josey Ruccolo at 954-275-6049.